Today we will discuss the benefits of headlight restoration, how to stay ahead of your headlights becoming clouded and dull. Why restoration? Remove scratches and marks, restore dull clouded lenses, maintain vehicle's value, functionality, and performance, increase safety and visibility, enhance the appearance of the vehicle, and save money. It's way cheaper than buying new headlights. When dim and clouded headlights affect your visibility, it is extremely dangerous, not just for you, but for the other people on the road. How this can happen, the causes of yellow and cloudy lights. Oxidation. Acrylic headlights come with a coating to prevent oxidation, but over time it wears off and sunlight turns these lenses yellow. Debris. Rocks and gravel flying into your headlights cause scratches and other marks, making them look more cloudy and dimming the light they produce. Dirt and chemicals. Over time, exposure to dirt and chemicals creates a transparent film that eventually builds up and dims headlights little by little. Water vapor. The watertight seal headlights are manufactured with eventually breaks down and condensation forms inside the lens, diffusing the light and adding to their cloudy appearance. Staying ahead of cloudy lights may seem like a challenge. However, there are a couple things you can do to try to stay proactive and keep some money in your pockets. Clean your headlights regularly. This may seem like a no-brainer. Don't they just get clean every time you wash your car? And the truth is, headlight lenses do tend to oxidize over time and require a little bit more effort to clean. Using a toothbrush and toothpaste, the anti-plaque chemicals in toothpaste are actually great for getting some of the oxidation off of your headlights, and it's a pretty cheap solution in comparison to spending on specific headlight cleaners. You could use a light sandpaper as well, but be very careful as it could make the appearance look worse. You may also park your car in the shade. The less exposure your headlights get from the sun, the better. Ideally, you should park in a garage to have overall protection of your vehicle, but simply park in the shade will work well too. If there isn't much shade for you to park in, at least park your vehicle with the headlights facing away from the sun. In a perfect world, our headlights would never get cloudy or yellow, and spending money on something like headlight restoration wouldn't even cross our mind. However, this isn't the case, and from time to time, seeing a professional is the best option. If your headlights are dim enough that it's affecting your visibility or making it difficult for other vehicles to see you, you definitely need to get in and see a professional like us at McDowell Specialty Repair in Boise, Idaho. It's a matter of safety for yourself and your community. Thanks for watching.